friends! Nice to see you again. For those who are new here, my name is Bien. Please consider subscribe, like, and comment, and press the notification bell so that you're gonna be notified every time I post a new video. For today's video, we're gonna talk about my HERMES Constance. So, we're gonna start with the unboxing. So here's the box, guys, with the ribbon. And then in the box, it says Hermes Paris. And then when you open, we still have the receipt from Komeo. It's a Japanese consignment store. And it still have the original receipt. It has all the care, leather care. And also, this one bought in Neiman Marcus. And the price is here. And then we still have all the papers. And then the dust bag. And charan, here's the bag. You still have like the protected paper to protect. And then like, you know, it's palladium hardware, Swift leather. And then it's natural coffee color. And then the condition is still very, very good, guys. Given that it's how many years old already. And the stitching, the hardware have no scratch at all. It's in almost like a perfect condition. The owner really take care of this bag. When we open it. So here's the new member of my family. This is HERMES Constance in elam, in natural coffee color, in palladium hardware, 25 centimeter, and then the height is 14 centimeter. And the thickness is 8 centimeter. So the comparison between this Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis and this Constance is like the width is almost the same, and the height, the Pochette Métis is 1.5 inches higher, and the side, there's not much difference between them because like this one is full and this one is empty. So when you feel the Pochette Métis, they are exactly the same. Let's make a comparison between these two bags. So I have here the Chanel mini flap and of course my Constance. And then as you can see, the height, they have like an inch difference. And then the width, you know, the Constance is bigger, like 1.5 inches. And then with the side, you know, they don't have much difference. So let's find out what are the things we can fit in this bag. So let's open. As we can see, it's just like perfectly arranged. It still have like spacious. So the first thing is like a regular wallet, a pouch that holds my necessities like lipsticks, hand sanitizer and everything, and then wet tissue, and then car key, AirPods, and then a shopping bags that I always bring so that I can put the bags if it rains, so to prevent from being wet. And then of course our cell phone and a mask. Fun fact about the Constance, it takes 14 to 18 hours for one artisan to make handmade this bag. A little background about Constance Hermes. Hermes is very, very famous of the Birkins and the Kelly, and I wonder why like not much people talk about the Constance, but the Constance is like as hard and as difficult to get as the Birkin and the Kelly. So you just cannot just walk into the shop and you said, oh, I want an Hermes or like Kelly or Birkin and Constance. It's just like something very difficult to get, and also price wise it's like not much difference between the Kelly and the Birkin. But for me, on the style side, you know, like I think the Constance is the best for me because like, you know, this is more young and more like crossbody bag. The story of the purchase of this one is like I just turned 40 last May, and then like, you know, I don't get any present from my husband because of the COVID situation, and I don't also have a big party which I planned last year that like if I turn 40, because it's a big 40, I need to have like a big party. But since it's COVID, so like, you know, we don't have a party, so we just have a small group of people, like very close friends, so to join our party. So like, you know, and even like like my present, I don't get it because like because of the COVID, all the stores are closed and I really don't know what I want. And then I said like, you know, oh, I'm gonna ask you my present anytime I see the perfect one. So like, you know, we are in Bangkok and then like we pass by in this shop and it's called Komeo. I know the Komeo is it's like retail shop, Japanese retail shop, and then they are very reliable. And then like I saw this bag and then like, oh my god, like, you know, it's the perfect color. And then there's another bag which is like I also like, but then the color is like so red. And between the this Constance and the Hermes Kelly, and I think it's 25 centimeter and it's like bright red. So like, you know, I just feel like it's not really me, it's too mature for me. And then like, you know, if I have that bag, it's like that's it, that's the end of it. Like, you know, I don't want to have another bag. But then like, you know, beforehand, like, you know, I always want to have the Constance because like, you know, it's really me. And the color, you know, as you can see, I always wear white, I always wear brown or like light colored. So I think like, you know, this is so me. So
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun now.
the only con or like the only negative thing about this bag is like since it's a bit soft, so like, you know, it's I'm just scared that it's gonna be like, you know, lost its shape. But actually, you know, this kind of leather, it's if you just store them properly, you put stuffing inside when you store them, it's light colored, so you just need to be a little careful, yeah, like, you know, like with the color transfer or like stains. So that's it, guys. It's just like minor because it's just like my choice that I like a light colored bag. So far, like, you know, I'm just loving it. I wear it like with several outfits. You can wear like casual, you can do like formal, or like, you know, and so you can wear this one in so many ways. So you can do like this, a shoulder bag like that, or like, you know, you take out this one and it's like longer shoulder bag like that. And then you can do also crossbody, which I which I like so much. And also you can do like this and tie a scarf here, and it looks like a top handle. So many ways to wear them. Again, it's not about bragging, it's something that, you know, to encourage people to work hard and so that you can buy the things that you love. And of course, like, you know, this video is just like made to give you more information, and I just want to share knowledge about what I know about this bag. And since I own it, like, you know, I know exactly how it is. We'll just see the positivity of everything, guys, and just like set aside all the negatives. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what the kind of video do you want me to make the next time. And then see you again. Bye bye.